శ్రీమద్భాగవతం. నమస్కారం టు శ్రీమద్భాగవతం. నిగమకల్పతరోర్గళితం ఫలం సుఖముఖాదమృతద్రవసంయుతం పిబత భాగవతం రసమాలయం ముహురహో రసికా భువి భావుకాః. నమస్కారం టు శ్రీసుఖయోగీంద్ర. యం ప్రవ్రజంతమనుపేతమపేతకృత్యం ద్వైపాయనో విరహకాతర ఆజుహావ పుత్రేతి తన్మయతయా తరవోభినేదుః తం సర్వభూతహృదయం మునిమానతోస్మి. నమస్కారం టు నరనారాయణ చతుర్ముఖ బ్రహ్మ సరస్వతీదేవి వ్యాసమహర్షి. నారాయణం నమస్కృత్య నరం చైవ నరోత్తమం దేవీం సరస్వతీం వ్యాసం తతో జయం ఉదీరయేత్. ఇన్ శ్రీమద్భాగవతం 4th skandham, Suta Mahamuni giving his teachings to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, Sri Sukha Yogindra giving his teachings to Parikshin Narendra, saying that, O Parikshin Narendra, Maitreya teaching Srimad Bhagavatam to Vidura, saying that, O Vidura, in Mahasatrayagam, in that assembly of that Satrayagam, Pridhu Maharaju, while addressing his people, saying like this, O my dear people, you all please live peacefully while coordinating, cooperating each other and respecting each other. You all should respect all the Brahmavettas, Brahmanas, even such great kings like Manu and all those great kings used to respect, worship all Brahmavettas. Even Sakshat Srimannarayana, Brahmanya Devaha Purushaha Puratanaha Nityam Harihi Yacharana Abhivandanat. Sakshat Srimannarayana, who is worshipped by Brahmanas, that Srimannarayana also worships Brahmavettas. The one who is eternal, the one who is supreme, the one who is the best, such Srimannarayana also does worships Brahmanas, Brahmavettas. That is why eternally Lakshmi Devi, all glory, all riches are stable with Srimannarayana. Oh my dear people, if we worship Brahmavettas, if we respect Brahmavettas, whatever the pollution, contamination is stagnated in our heart, in our mind, all will be washed off. Then we will be at peace of mind. Then we will get rid of these clutches of birth and death, and we will be able to attain eternal bliss. Nishevaya tatah param kim. What is there such a great seva other than doing seva to Brahmanas? There is no such great seva in this entire world than doing seva to Brahmavettas, Brahmanas. You know why? Because all the devatas who used to be worshipped through so many yajnas, those devatas also likes to worship Brahmanas. That is why Brahmana seva, Brahmavetta seva is the most superior than all other sevas. Like that Pridhu Maharaju teaching to his people. What happens next we will learn tomorrow. Om Shri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmadgurubhyo Namaha. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita in 18th chapter from 65th to 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do 8 things. Krishna Paramatma saying that if we do those 8 things, we will become his most beloved devotees, and then He will liberate all of us from all kind of sins. That is why every day let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on thinking about you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall become your devotee. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on performing all my duties as your service. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering the fact that I am your belonging and I shall keep doing namaskaram to you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall not grieve anymore. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering your teachings every day by reading at least one Gita sloka. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. O Sriman Narayana, I shall do as you say. I shall behave as you like. I shall keep on working for you. Karishye vachanam tava. Jai Sriman Narayana. A special request to all devotees. In all things in our life, we want immediate and effective results. To achieve this, let us spend 1 minute daily and read Narayanastram. In order to obtain Narayanastram, go to Narayanastram website, which is www.narayanastram.org and provide your name and email in the registration. You will receive a Narayanastram PDF to the email you provided. In the PDF, there is a Ramayana sloka, a Gita sloka and a Vishnu Namam. The three of these put together is called Narayanastram. Everyone receives a different combination of these slokas. When everyone reads to their Narayanastram daily, along with 24,000 devotees, one round of Sampurna Ramayana Parayana, 33 rounds of Srimad Bhagavad Gita Parayana, 24 rounds of Sri Vishnu Sahasranama Stotra Parayana is completed every day. This is such a remarkable and extraordinary outcome that comes out of doing this every single day. That's why you and your family members immediately go and obtain your Narayanastram. Jai Sriman Narayana.